please. Please go ahead.
Yeah, you always talk about taking 3 pips for beginners.
Yes, sir.
Does the 3 pip cover cost?
Well, tell you what, if you're in your broker, what will happen is that your broker actually takes the fee first. Don't be, your broker is not going to let you get your profits and then you minus the fees. The fees are out already. So depending on your broker and depending on the pair and depending on the time of day. So let's look here. If we're going to really go in a trade, let me come up way up here out the way. And you went into trading on this pair, Euro NZD, for example, and you went into new order. Look what happened. I would not go in this one. I'd not be gung-ho. Look at this big old spread right here. It means that before you go into profit, your broker has to go clean up his spread first. So maybe at a different time of day, the buy and sell line, it's closer together. The spread is less. Okay, so depending on your pair, depending on your broker, and depending on the time of day, you either have a wide spread or a narrow spread. And so after a while, you will kind of learn what to do. But if you want to be on the safe side, you try to choose narrow spreads. Or if the spread is big, you make sure that all of the safety trade rules are in place. You wouldn't be taking chances and, you know, doing dirty sells and dirty buys, and you wouldn't bother with the scalping business. Because when you're scalping, we're quick little in and out, it could go up and come down just as fast. You could have done a little thing right here, but maybe this is not enough to cover your spread. But then guess what happened? This buy is not good enough to cover your spread. And guess why we know that that's true? Because the rules are not in place. Red, green, 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 red is supposed to be green. It's not. So you'd be taking a quick little scalp right here, and it would not be according to safety trade rules. But without safety trade, some people would have probably taken the chance. Your spread wouldn't have covered it. You would have lost. Furthermore, it pulled back right away one time. So some people would be misled and get themselves in trouble here. But our safety trade protects us. And if we follow the rules, forgetting your trading view, forgetting the other strategies you usually use, trust the safety trade system, follow the 4 rules, you can't go wrong. So the safety trade will give you a good setup, and based on the analysis that you're going to be taught, you're going to get some rules, and you read them and you study them. Yeah, based on the rules, you would look for other confirmation. So you have your, let's look for it. You have your, let's look right here. You would have your, green, 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 red, green. So buy. But you also, let me make sure this was syncing right here. Hold on, let me just make sure this is syncing at the same time. Okay, so there we go. Are we at the same time down the bottom? Yes. Okay, so you're looking for your green, 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 red, green, and you say, yes, this is awesome. I want to do a buy. Well, these are the indicator. You got your little safety trade thing, your little shape, the consolidate, go down, go up, down, off it goes. You got your little arrow, you got your candles below. So we're doing the opposite. We're doing the green, right? So if you're looking for a buy, your candle should be below the line. Yes, which it is. You should see the little shape. There it is, going down, coming up, going down, and then off it goes. So you see the little shape coming into play. Your candles are below the line. Boom. Green arrow pops up. Yeah, this looks like a green. So this is where, oops, oopsie doozy, my bad. Normally oops, what's going on? Normally, oops, what's going on? Normally you'd be here. So you'd be looking at stuff. You'd be looking at it and you say, ooh, green arrow. Look at your shape. Ooh, green, green, green. You still can't go in the buy. Some buys are happening. Okay. There are some advanced trading techniques that allow you to fill in gaps and get indicators when it dips here and all these kind of advanced stuff. But if you don't know jack diddly squat about trading, follow all the rules to the T. As you learn this, there are some intermediate strategies within safety trade, and there are some advanced strategies within safety trade. But a beginner is going to look for just the perfect safety trade, the safest it can be. Follow the rules. Here we go. Candles below the moving average line. You have the little shape going on. Up comes the green arrow. Boom, it's time to buy. And you're looking for the 4th thing. What's the 4th thing? You're looking for what? this line to turn red. This is the hogwash indicator, the BS indicator, the fake out, the identifier of the fake out. The things that catches most traders is the fake out. So we're looking, not time yet, not time yet. Looky there, there's the red. We go, okay, let's check this out. But we want to be sure too. So we're going to look at the higher time frame. This is the minute. We're going to come over here, turn this to 5 minute and say, oops, well, it's not sync scrolling, but it was back here somewhere, right? It looks for the, we look at the 5 minute, looks green too. We look at the, oops, get this out of the way. We look at the 15 minute, you know, we sort of kind of look what's going on the higher time frame as well, so that we have these extra confirmations, okay? But you look for confirmation on the higher time frames, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the hour, but you trade on the lower time frame. And so the 1 minute and the 5 minute are two good ones to compare, right? And then you figure out now you're coming along, it's green, it's green, it's green, it's green. Ooh, there's the red. This is great now, looking for a buy, and you're looking for the buy, and well, the back broke. Yeah. Thank you. Where was I? I think I was back here somewhere. I was back here. So here it is. You're looking for the green. You're looking for the green, 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 the green. Yep, there's the red. And look, up it goes just for a little bit. And then it changes. So the win is right here. Here's the win. Here's it turn red. It was red for right here. This is the win. This is the win. And if you know about trading and pips, you would have come from just above this line right here, and you'd have made 68 pips, six pips, nearly 7 pips. What's this? 7 pips, right? What's this? Your NZD, yeah, that's like 7 pips, nearly 7 pips. Just like that, just quick little whoops, whoops. Why? Here it is. Here it is. Right in line, right here, right here, right here. Win. In and out, boom, dumb, that's it. Take your profits, smile all the way to the back. Okay. You're looking for another one. Here's another one. Green, 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 green. Oh, there's the red. What you think's gonna happen? It's time to buy again. Look at it. There it is. Here it is. Turn red right here. Look at how much pips. Boom. Come right here. See the red? See it here? You'd put your trade right above the moving average line. Look at that. Boom, shakalaka. What's that? More pips. That's it. This is a win. All of this you would have won. Why? Safe to trade told you green, 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 red, green. It told you that there's your little shape. Things are below the line. It's going up. Your higher time frame said green. Everything looks crisp and curry. And so you're up in the trade. And you just say ching and say yay. So your spread will be covered in all of this for sure, because you're following the rules. Now, if you're trying to do a little scalping business, then you have to know what your broker is offering you, and you have to learn your own risk management. Make sense? Did I answer your question, sir? Hope I did. All right, so guys, that is really great. So listen, if you, and again, $75 a month gets you this extra piece. If you buy Safe to Trade from our system, you get this scanner for free for 1 month, 1 month free to test it out. If this scanner that does, let me show you what this does. This is crazy. I mean, this is like insane, because this scanner allows you to trade indices, Forex, crypto, stocks, yes, and everything. It's really cool. So when you come under my scanner, look how many things you can do. You can come over here under indices, which means you can get the answers for NAS, SPX, US 30, oil, Aussie 200, ESP. I mean, all of the cool indices. Look at that. France, German, Japan, NAS, SPX, UK oil. I mean, come on, right? And these, look here, this is a sell right here, XPT USD. All of these are sells, greens, buys. They're old, but these are the indicators. These things came out today, right? On every time frame. These are 1 minute sales, 5 minute sales. Here's a 50-minute buy, 50-minute buy here, 15-minute sell, all the way up 30-minute hour for, I mean, goodness gracious. You get everything you need on every time frame, folks. These are old because they're not moving. Remember the key. If it has a new, it just happened. It's live and direct right now happening. If it's moving, it's within 5 minutes. So like this one here, you could look at it because it's just, it's pretty current. If it's stopped, it's been a call. They call the trade more than 5 minutes. Okay, so you be careful about those ones. But these are, I mean, look how many trades you could have had today. You like Forex? Trade Forex. There are your Forex pairs, your Euro, your GBP, your NZD. There's a boom. There's a new Aussie CAD. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Aussie CAD, let's take this a good one because some of them is not thing. Aussie CAD, let's look at it. We come over here, jump in our thing, go back to our little Hugo's way here. Look for Aussie CAD one time real quick. Aussie CAD, AUD. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. We just drag it over here. Boom. Just come over here. Bing. And we change it over here. 1 minute here. 5 minutes here. Dun, da, 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 da. Come to the end of the door. Good. Look. What did it say? Let's look at it one more time. Aussie CAD, it said a sell. You're like, yay, a sell. Jump in my trade. Get my phone tuned up. Come on up over here. Come back on our little trading, man. Look at that. Red, 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 green, red. Now, hey, I didn't have to scroll, look, search, wait. It told me I went straight to the answer. Boom, 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 boom. Look at it. It's a sell. We're looking for the arrows. We need confirmation here, right? We're looking. We need to see we don't see the red arrow yet. We don't, it's kind of early. It's forming up nicely. So we'll wait a little bit, right? So it's going to go up first. It has to come above the line first. So we have to wait for the candles to be above the line. We have to wait for the little arrow to come. And well, we didn't even have to do that. Look, there it is. There's a sell. There it is. There it is. So if we had put the line in here, there it goes. If we had put our, why won't it move? Here we go. If we had put our, my horizontal line is giving me trouble. It's supposed to move and it's not moving. My horizontal line is giving me grief. What's up with my horizontal line? But anyway, there it is. So if we had put the cell in, see, this one was a tricky one, guys. This one was a little tricky. This one moved really fast. This one was right there, fast. You'd have to have trigger fingers because just these two little candles above the bar was enough to send it down for a little bit, right? And for some reason, I think that it probably will have another sell a little later on. But look at that. If you had put your trade in right here, you would have won all of this right here. Because here it was. Red, red, red. I didn't see the red arrow though, but it's kind of going sideways. I have a funny feeling that this isn't fully formed. I have a funny feeling this is just a little thing. I have a funny feeling there's more to come. So it would probably finish forming because here we have the down, came up, came down. Nope, I guess this is it. Here's a shape. Down, up, and that was it. Bull shape, candles above, red, 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 green, red. And it surely did do it, just as the rules say. So we would have won all of this right here. How many pips is that? That's kind of nutty. Lots of pips right there. Look at that. See that? Wow, 21. Wow, just like that. And then it's retracing right now. But it's you notice the green went away. So it's no longer the perfect trade. It changed. It's no longer red, 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 green, red. It's now red, 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 red. So it's still trending down. The higher time frame says it's trending down. The higher time frame, 15 minutes says down, 30 minutes says down, 1 hour says down, 4 hours says down, 1 whole day says down, week says down, the month says down. Chances are this is a pair that's going to trend down, but you're going to have these pullbacks in between. So you can look for the rules to come in play to know when to go do the trades. Because you don't want to be in a trade on a pullback, because if you don't have enough money in your account, then you might get, a big fat margin call or something. But you want to wait until it's ideal. You want to wait for the fourth one here to turn green, and it's time to go back in. Right now, it's kind of far from the moving average line. So you want to wait until it is gonna go, you know, you put it just below there, and you're gonna wait for the next setup to come. You would wait. This is live, so we can't go forward to see if it really happened. This is really live right now. So we have to literally wait to see if this one here will turn green again, and then we'll probably get set up for another sell. Now there's other things you look at to see if it's the third or fourth time it's been selling. You look to see if it's, you know, where's the support lines and whatnot. But overall, you know, you can just follow the system here. Red, 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 green, red. This is not green, so therefore it's not selling. And guess what? It's not selling. It's doing a retracement right now. Pullback. Makes sense, everybody? This system is awesome, guys. Let me tell you, if you have this, you have a mint. You have a genie in a bottle right here with this. Add the scanner. Oh my goodness gracious! It sends you right to the trade that's live and happening and popping. I know Dr. B is over there. Hear him quiet. Dr. B over there trading these trades, you know, because him quiet as a lamb, you know. So you know him over there getting these trades, you know, Dr. B, you know, true. You're over there trading like crazy. But guys, this has been fun. The red arrow was before. Okay, yes. Scroll cell, yes, was already there. The second cell arrow was there, yes. So you guys are right, it was there. So it is really, really exciting to see what we do here, ladies and gentlemen. And because of that, we're really helping people to not just focus on the money. We're teaching people to focus on a skill set, because you can come into our academy, and while you have this technology working for you to actually make money, you actually will have access to our education. So if you don't know the terminologies, you don't know what is price action, you don't know what is sell zone or buy zone, you don't know what is retracement, you don't know what is a pullback, you don't know what is an indices, you don't know what is a Forex cross, you don't know these things. When you go in class, you'll learn all those things. You don't know what is support, you don't know what is resistance, you'll be in class. So you get yourself a membership at Xtreamfx, anywhere from $99 to $159. Once you have your membership, you go and add on the technology, yeah? So you have the technology that you can begin learning the 4 simple rules to make money, but then you also can get a little self-actualization, and you can actually learn this stuff, ladies and gentlemen, and actually track along with the language and the lingo so you don't feel out of sorts. I recommend that people just kind of familiarize themselves. Listen, we have 10-year-olds, 12-year-olds, 15-year-olds doing Forex without the technology and making money. They literally did not have this technology. 6 months ago, we did not have this technology, and we had a child last year, $250,000 US, a 17-year-old kid made last year using the education. He did not have the technology. He learned it the manual long way. Okay, so you can learn this. We have a 10, 12-year-old who learned it the long, old manual way and made money. We have a 12-year-old who took less than $100 to $3,000 in 2 months, learning the old, long way. Right? So you can learn, but guess what happened? You don't have to wait until you learn to make money. You can have this technology making money in the same moment. So we're excited about it, guys. Our community is growing globally. We have students now in over 50 countries around the world. We are expanding. We should add another 10 countries in the coming months. People are hearing about Xtreamfx. They're getting results here. And when people get results, they talk about it. And as a result, guys, people, where this product is flying off the shelf, and the first few hundred people who buy Safety Trade from Xtreamfx will get trained by the developer. Once we get past a couple hundred people, chances are one of our professional educators will train you. But right now, if you want to actually get the developer to train you, now is the time to get your Safety Trade. He has given us preferential pricing. You will pay $200 per month for the signal outside of Xtreamfx. We have preferential pricing. We are the only company authorized to sell this proprietary product, you are in good stead because of the partnerships that Xtreamfx has. And we always bring in our community stuff that no one else has, always bringing our community stuff that is better priced through the business partnerships that we make. Guys, you're talking with our founders who are steep in financial world. One of our founders used to be vice president of Bank of America. Another one of our founders made his first million at 21. He's now 38 years old. And this gentleman continues to win. He coaches Fortune 500 CEOs. So our founders are no small fries. Our founders know what they're doing, and they provided a way for everyday people to learn a skill to get them earning and learning. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget we have health products. On a Thursday, we have our presentation with Dr. Linda Rogers Brown at 9 p.m. She tells all about our hydration products, our gut health and everything here. And if you wanted to be an affiliate, like I'm an affiliate, Dr. Benjamin is an affiliate, we don't like to leave money on the table. So not only are we students, but we are affiliates. We paid a little bit more money. I paid $3.99. And what we did was we got the ability, ladies and gentlemen, to market anything in Xtreamfx, and they will pay us up to $1 million a month based on the sales that we do. So we're in this for 4 reasons. 1, I want to learn for myself. 2, I love to learn. I love to teach. So I'm learning for my own self-actualization. I'm learning so that I can use the skill set to make money for myself and my family. I'm also realizing that if I'm making money for my friends and my family, I can share it with people. And I realize that if I shared it with people, Xtreamfx looks at the sales that I do. They calculate my total sales volume, and they give me an override based on my sales volume. And I could earn $500 based on a 400 point sales volume. I make $500. Based on 1,000 sales points, I can make $1,000. Based on what's this, 3,000 sales volume, I can make $2,000, and so on, which really is about, few people. And we teach people how to build a sales team. So you are not the only one that has to be exposing this business. You could create a team to do it, and you get an override on the sales volume up to $1 million. Guys, it's crazy. I just sold a safety trade to a friend of mine in Canada. He bought the product. He was so excited. He told his friend, he told like 3 people. They were so excited. They got the product, and they told 3 people. And the next thing you know, that's 12 people that came to Xtreamfx because he told one person. And that one person told another, and he told somebody else, and they told another. Next thing, there were 12 people coming to buy a safety trade product. All he did was tell 3. Next thing you know, there are 12 people who bought the product, and he earned an override of $500 a month because he brought so much business directly and indirectly. And the people who he brought, they brought people, and they made money too. Everybody makes money, guys. It's an amazing system when you get to understand it. So now I am a student, I am a referring partner, and I'm using my safety trade to make money. Last night we were up. I won 11 trades last night in the London session. Myself and Dr. Harry was actually up trading, and I won 11 trades, and I made 10% gain on my capital in just an hour and a half. Guys, you can't beat that. There's some people who have their money in the bank for a year and don't make 10%. So I'm very excited about this. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. If there's no one else with a question, we're going to hop off of here. We do this every day at 4 o'clock. Tomorrow, Dr. Harry will be on to showcase the demo account. If you have people who you think could use this information, could benefit from a technology like this, invite them to come. We'll be here tomorrow, 4 o'clock sharp. And we will do this all over again, demonstrating the power of this system. And maybe tomorrow we can take some testimonials of people who have bought the product and have begun to use it. So come back tomorrow, guys. Come out in full force, bring your friends, and we'll get some people to speak tomorrow to testify about their product and how it's been working for them as soon as they bought it. We're out of time. It's 5 o'clock. So we're going to hop off out of here, guys. Remember, get back to the person who brought you to this call, ask them for their referral link or the website so that you can purchase the the education or the affiliate, because the affiliate gets both the education and the ability to refer people and make money. The education gets you the education alone, but the affiliate gets the education and the ability that if you referred somebody, you could make some extra money from the referral bonus. Both the education package or the affiliate package allows you to then go in and get the add-on and purchase the safety trade system. Okay, so go ahead and do that so we can set you up to be trained. Every Monday, the developer does a training. You want to buy your product today so you can set up your indicators, that you can sign your non-disclosure agreement, that you can do all the preliminary things between now and Saturday so that on Monday, you could be in the class with the developer. Remember, for a limited time, the educator, the actual developer will train you. If you want to be trained by the educator, the developer, I mean, you want to get in as soon as possible, because pretty soon our educators in-house will be training you. But for the early movers, the pioneers, the first movers, because we've only brought this partnership together since May. So we're now in August. So pretty soon, the developer will not be training our people anymore, but he's doing it right now till everybody gets a good hang of it. So if you want to be trained by the developer, get your product today. Get yourself set up over the weekend so that you can join the training on Monday. And I'm excited for each and every one of you. This is awesome. I love it. I'm excited. It's called Boom Shakalaka. It's called Cha-Ching, Ching, Ching. It's never been easier to trade Forex. Still no guarantees. Disclaimer in place that your results are directly related to what you do to learn the system, learn the rules, practice it, you make your money. If you gamble, if you guess, if you take a shortcut, you will lose, just like in everything in life. No shortcuts, okay? We're going to show you the right way to trade safely, and you will win if you follow the rules. So if everybody is here is a rule follower, put following in the chat. Following. That means you'll follow the rules. That means you'll follow the instructions. That means you will win. Thank you, everyone, for your kind attention. I don't see any questions in the chat, but I do see following. I love it. Follow, guys. And I'm telling you, you cannot be sorry. My name is Bridget. I'm glad to have shared this with you this evening. We have an 8 p.m. call tonight for you to hear from one of our educators, Mr. Gordon Clark. He's one of our educators that teaches in the Asian session. He will be doing our presentation this evening. He will showcase all of the areas of Xtreamfx. He'll go over the comp plan a little bit, and you'll be able to see everything we have to offer. So come on back at 8 p.m. on our wealth line. Let me see if I can go let me drop it in the chat, guys. Don't go anywhere yet. Don't go anywhere. Let me get this information for you here, ladies and gentlemen, so that you can, let me see here. Let me go pick it up and put it in there. Let's see, builders. Let me go pick up this link for you, and you can come tonight and get to meet one of our educators, Mr. Gordon Clark. He is amazing. He teaches us in the Asia session, but tonight he's not going to be teaching trading. Well, tonight he is. He's doing two things. He is doing our presentation at 8 o'clock, and for members only who have a membership, you go into your back office and he will be doing the Asian session tonight. So if you want to trade along with our trader tonight at 9 in the Asia session, then ladies and gentlemen, you can sign up now. You can be included in our Asia session. We're going to be trading live in the Asia session at 9 p.m. But at 8 p.m., I'm dropping it in the chat. At 8 p.m., we're going to do a presentation with Mr. Gordon Clark. One of our Forex educators is going to be taking that. It's going to be awesome. And then at 9 o'clock, he is going to be, at 9 o'clock, he is going to, where did my Zoom go? At 9 o'clock, he's going to be doing the Asia session. So you can trade along with him when Japan, China, and these countries open up, because 8 o'clock tonight is like 8 a.m. tomorrow in Asia, okay? So if you want to be a part of that, folks, let me tell you, get yourself signed up. So here we go. It's in the chat. Go in the chat and pick up the information. You can come tonight at 8 to listen to the overall presentation about everything Xtream has to offer. If you enroll and get a membership before 9 p.m. tonight, It takes 5 minutes to sign up. Immediately, you will have your education. Immediately, you will have access to our trade ideas, our education, and our live sessions immediately. So if you enroll before, say, 10 minutes to 9 o'clock tonight, you can go in your back office. You're going to get a special login for yourself. You can go in the back office and have unlimited access to the archive videos of all previous trainings, and you can get to do the live ASA session tonight. You could be trading along with our professional trader at 9 p.m. Eastern. Are the trade ideas that get posted in Telegram for immediate action or for when the market opens. You get a trade idea because it is for action now. However, you need to go to sniper class. Amoy, congratulations on getting your safety trade. I know you bought your safety trade this week. Congratulations on being a new member of Xtreme. There's a sniper class on a Monday, and the sniper class teaches you how to take your trade ideas. So yes, when you become a member, you're going to get access to our private Telegram. We dish out 10, 12 trade ideas per day. So even if you don't have safety trade, you can still get trade ideas from our community, from our educators, and you're taught how to use those trade ideas in sniper class. Look at the calendar, Amoy. Look for sniper class with Aaron or Tani Gonzalez, and make sure to attend sniper class. It will teach you how to take those trade ideas, which is very easy. And you just have your account or your demo or your live, okay? And then if you get the safety trade, you simply get more safety trade ideas. So we have regular trade ideas and we have the safety trade ideas. Two different things. Both of them give you great value. Both of them will help you to win more trades than you would by yourself. This is the School of Money. Thank you all for being here. Have a wonderful evening. See you at 8 p.m. tonight, the Wealth Line. And for those of you who choose to join right now, get back to the person who put you on this call, get on the website, sign up. It takes 5 minutes. Put your username and password, email, pay the $99 or the $299 or the $168 or whichever one you choose. Get yourself a membership so that at 9 p.m. tonight, you can be a part of the live Asia session, live trading with our professional trader tonight at 9 o'clock. Get back to the person, guys. Get your questions answered, and I see you guys at the trading table, at the bank, or at the beach. Have a good night, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you, BB. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Good night, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
let's
you.
talk about the call tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.